Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a review of the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So I've used this product for 2 days. It's now been 2 days and today is going to be the third one. I bought this 20 ml size, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to use this small one that I got for free. I think this might be the sample size, but let me just show you this one in the package. This is the bottle right here. Okay, so this product, according to the packaging right here, it should work day and night to help skin maximize its overall natural rhythm of repair and protection, and it should penetrate into your skin to reduce the multiple signs of aging caused by environmental assaults of modern life. And it should make your skin look smoother, less lined, younger, more radiant, and even toned. So it should reveal your most beautiful and healthy looking skin. So I don't have signs of aging as yet on my face, but I'm acne prone and I have dark marks caused by acne, if you can see here on this side, even on my forehead. Yeah, so I've got a lot of dark marks even on my chin here. So I'm hoping that this product will help repair my skin so that it looks radiant with less dark marks. Okay, I'm going to use it right now, but because really I have this small one, I need to start with this one and finish it first before opening this one. So I'm just going to go ahead. It's liquidy, if you can see. So I'm just going to apply it right on my face. So that's how it looks when applied on the face. It's very fast absorbing. Right now it has melted on my face. Yeah. So I'm going to go right ahead even on the other cheek. So after applying it, this is how my skin looks, and it's not irritating to the skin. I feel like it's normal on my skin. Okay, so on the packaging it says that this product it's made for all skin types. So right now, within this 2 times use of this product, I haven't felt any irritation on my skin, and it's not looking oily. It doesn't even feel crazy on my skin. It's just okay, and it melts on the skin straight away. I think within like 5 seconds of applying, it was already melting in my skin. So I'm hoping that it will improve the condition of my skin as I continue to use it over time. Thank you for watching. Bye.